Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As my exams are over, so I will start to make new videos from now on. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can save notification on your mobile, or in other words you can see the deleted messages of WhatsApp in your phone. But there are some conditions to see the messages on your phone. First of all, you should have your net on when the notification arrives at your phone. Suppose a person deletes the message before the notification comes on your phone, then you will not able to see your notification. And secondly, uh, you have to download one app. Let me show you the app name and download. So app is Notishe. The full form is save notifications. So I've just downloaded it. Let me just open it. For this, let me just give you the tutorial from beginning of Notishe. I will just uninstall it. Install it for you. Wait for some time. Okay, here we go. So let me just open it. It will say allow access to notification. It is saying that if this app want to save your notification, then you have to allow access. So let me just allow the access. For this app will show that where in settings you have to allow. So let me just click next, and here just allow it. Okay, now our procedure is done. It will load all the app list where you can have notification. Now what you gonna do is, I want only my WhatsApp notification to be saved. I will click here, turn off all, and I will only on the WhatsApp notification and WhatsApp business. I have two WhatsApp in this, so that I can show you directly from one phone. Don't worry, there are two different numbers. Yes, you can have two different WhatsApp account on your one mobile by using WhatsApp business and WhatsApp. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will just show you how to save notification. Now it is done. Let me just home press it. Okay, now what I gonna do is, I will just open my WhatsApp business. I will type here hi. See here the message has been arrived. Now if I delete it for everyone, delete for everyone. Okay, message has been deleted, right? So here you can see the message was deleted. But now what you're gonna do is just open your Notisave app. Here it is, and you can see there hi. Now let me just give you another word. So, suppose I send hello there. I'll send it. Well, this is the another feature of WhatsApp business. So let me just show you that there has been arrived. See here, it has been arrived. Now what I'm going to do is delete from here. Delete this. You deleted the message, and you can see here the message was deleted. And now when I open my Notisave app, you can reload it. Here you can see hello there, hello there. So likewise you can save all your notification and you can see all the deleted messages on the WhatsApp. So thank you for your valuable time, and if you like this video, just press the like button, and if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe below. Click on the red button saying subscribe, and press the bell icon when the subscribe is appear. When you click on the subscribe button, it will appear, then click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.